Wait! Wait for me! Time to discover it! Wait, these are with me too? A record card and a magnifying, but how can we use them to become science detectives? Ouch! I should not look directly at the sun with it. It hurts my eyes.
This is how a magnifying lens works. Move the lens closer to the frog, and it appears larger. Move it away, and it appears smaller. Find the clear and focused position.
Much better. Now let's discover something.
Finally, I did it! First, write the topic. Next, for the sketch, use thin, clear lines. Don't shade it in.
Now it's your turn, science detectives. Your science detective challenge.
Look at that beautiful flower! Can you help me? How can I magnify this fixed flower? Now let's record what we discovered. Finally! I did it! Now it's your turn.
Detectives, observe carefully and record all the fennec fox details in your record card.
What an amazing journey! We observed, investigated, and discovered, and so much! But wait, our adventure isn't over yet! Oh my God! The dinosaur is coming! And now an earthquake?